Hello and welcome back to my desk. Today is a Your Creative Studio unboxing, and I wanted to get this one done straight away so that I could give away some of the items that I have sneak peeked from this month's box. This is December's box, and I think this is my second last box as I don't intend to renew. The box is amazing, it's beautiful, but I'm going to need to pare back in 2020, so I'm only allowing boxes that I have already renewed to run through 2020, and I will not renew them again within 2020, and I'll review the situation again in 2021. I'm going to try and do a low buy of a sort of a high days and holidays approach, so I'm only allowed to buy myself and others items for things like Christmas, birthdays, and perhaps Valentine's Day, things like that. So a high days and holidays approach to a low buy in 2020 for me. Now, some of these objects are wrapped in shiny paper, so I'll try and get that off as quickly as possible so as we can all appreciate the treasures within. The dogs have decided, of course, that now is the time to start sniffing around me, and so you may hear them pottering around in the background. So I'm not really sure why this is actually wrapped in plastic, as it appears to be some form of box. So let's take those items out. And it opens like a matchbox, and inside is a huge range of stickers. Let's see if we can just have a quick look at some of these. No point in teasing you with just a few of them. So some of them with grid formations on them. There's a little fish, seahorse, and there's sort of two of everything. Oh, that's a very nice design. I like that. Geometric sort of flower situation. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's shaped like an elephant. Oh, how interesting. Lovely. As I say, seems to be two of everything. Nice little snowflake there, perfect for this time of year. This is the December box. Sea lions, butterflies. So as though you had fussy cut out shapes from different forms of ephemera into, now that's actually the shape of a plane, but some of them have, you know, it's like you've cut it out from a printed document in the shape of a key, but it is a pre-made sticker for you. So a huge number of stickers in that box, and there goes one of the dogs whining. Really interesting items there to have a good route through those. You don't get an information sheet with this box, which is a shame, but the curation on this box is sublime. I know I've said that before. So here we have a little packet of, I think it's going to be stickers. I'm not going to open this because I do have somebody in mind to give this to. So it looks like snow globe shapes with things like Christmas trees printed on the inside. Lovely. Another one I'm not going to open, and it seems to be a bunch of stickers, Christmas themed, and so I might have, oh, here we go, here's the pictures on the back. So these are all the little stickers that you receive in this package. It's currently the 20th of December, so these are probably going to be put away for next year for stocking fillers and that sort of thing. So here we just have a nice little notepad, again wrapped. Not a huge point in me taking that out. Possibly a sticky pad with a floral and leaf decoration on it. Lovely. This is some stickers. And again, there's a little snowman here, but the rest are not obviously Christmas or winter themed. So I think I'll just put those into the general pot. An old time series wish list. Let's get this open. And this could be very apropos for my high days and holidays low buy 2020. Insofar as I could use this if I didn't want to use my regular bullet journal and keep an entry in that, although that had been my original plan. And the idea is that you keep a little wish list pad. The bottom half does not have the word wish list on it, and the top half does, and is perforated in the center. So that's lovely. So a little notepad there. I have a travel one. I think it came with a different subscription box, and I will be using that next year on my holiday to record some holiday items. I have no idea what this is. It looks to be brass. It has a ruler, but it also has a slightly serrated edge here. Can you see that? It's not a sharp serrated edge, and just a little motif there in the center in a dome of glass, if you can see that there. And I just love it, and it's going to go on my windowsill here with all of my other bits and bobs. And I just like the aesthetic of it, so that's marvelous. Then here, let's see what we have. Black and white. Let's get it open and see what it is specifically. Oh, it's a washi tape. What an unusual packaging for a washi tape. I had just assumed it was going to be some form of notepad. But in fact, this image here is the washi tape image. God, I'm going to regret giving up this box. I can just feel it in my waters. That is a lovely washi tape. The curator of this box is Amanda, I want to say. Yeah, Amanda. And her taste really gels with my own. I mean, you're always going to have a few things. I'm not that mad into Christmas, but they are lovely things. So let's see what we have here. Show you the packaging a bit better. No idea. Packaging to me doesn't give away what it would be. So let's get that open. I want to say it's going to flick. And it is a calendar. Is it a, but for what month? I do not know. But I do like the imagery on it. So this is the sort of thing that doesn't only function as a calendar, but makes excellent paper ephemera afterwards. It's a great image, I like that. Lovely. And here we have what I assume is another washi tape. These are the designs that you will get in it. Really lovely. I just won't bother opening that. It's a bit too this. Oh, there's one of the dogs barking, so that's going to set my dogs off. Sally, no. I don't care. And here's another one of these little pendants. We received something similar. Not similar, but we received a little pendant last month. And this one is in the shape of a clock, and that's really very lovely. Let's see if we can get through the last few seconds of this. And just the little thank you, isn't that lovely? The little sticker to hold it closed. Let's see if we can get through these last bits without the dogs losing their minds altogether. This is Christmas and New Year themed, so I'll pop that back into that envelope and set it aside for next year. As I say, 20th of December, getting a little bit late to be using or giving away some of those items. And then just some papers. I really like that one. Some great papers come with these. There's one with some ice skating shoes. Ah, look at the little snowman. Isn't that very sweet? So another absolutely beautiful box from your creative studio with a wonderful mix of unusual items. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.